Hello guys, my name is Miss Bespoken and welcome to my channel. If you're looking for a grace of information that will help you live better, hey, do I have something to tell you? I am going to share with you how to achieve generational wealth through excellent credit, money, and owning your own home. I will share with you how you can set up, control, and even cut your interest rates in half when buying a home at this time, regardless of what the interest rates are in 2024 going into 2025. How to pay off high balance credit cards without the stress, and how to save money on public aid. And yes, you heard me right. I'm going to actually share with you how you can save money if you're on public aid. Now, when it comes to real estate, finances, mortgages, keeping your mortgage under control, refinancing homes, when to refinance, home repairs without going broke, paying your home off long before 30 years, credit repair, credit cards, saving money from no money, and how to use HELOC the proper way to pay off your mortgage, and also bankruptcy. I'm going to explain bankruptcy in a way that you will never have to be afraid of it again. I have over 35 years experience. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and share the videos. I will share all types of financial goodies and tidbits along with ranting and raving about social events where we can all add our 10 cents, and it is absolutely free. Now, I came from zero to nothing, nothing to something, and something to everything with the knowledge I've gained throughout the past 35 years. Now, I want you to stick with my videos, and not only will I share with you how, but I will also share with you why, where, when, and like I said, it is absolutely free. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for good and helpful information and free giveaways that will make your life a lot easier. Also, check out my Let's Make Them Eat YouTube channel for fun meals and money-saving tips. I will put a link in the description box below. Now, when you are subscribed to both channels, along with liking and sharing the videos, it actually gives you 2 chances to win some amazing prizes. Watch the videos, get ideas, win big prizes. Who doesn't like that? Please look for an upcoming video about free giveaways. The gifts will blow your mind. Let's work together to live better. And always, always, thank you for watching.